So today it's not going to be anything crazy, it's just going to be more of an update video, so if you're interested just stay till the end and watch. I'm going to be updating you on just current life situations and what's going on in my life, and then on my car projects, because if you remember, we bought a yellow Subaru about last year. I'll leave a link up in the description, or a little icon above. And that was supposed to be a subscriber build, but sadly I was not able to actually film any of the stuff that we did for that, but I will update you today. Also, as you can see, I'm walking around in a house. This is our new home. Me and my lovely girlfriend Micah, we decided to go ahead and buy a house, and I guess I'll show you a quick look around of kind of what it looks like. So this is our living room, and pardon the giant mess everywhere. We are actually working on getting rid of the popcorn ceiling in every room. So as you can see, this is what's supposed to look like. We're still not done. There's still tarps everywhere and a ladder. Yep. Here's the hallway. Ow. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna get a new light, so that's still up there like that. Here's the master bedroom. Here's where the office is going to be, where we're going to have some epic content, hopefully in the future. Right there. I'm really excited about that. Got a bunch of patches all over the wall. Same in this room. But yeah, it's just a really, really cool experience. This is like my first home, and I'm only 23 years old, so I feel really excited. Oh, it does have a garage. I'll show you that. Kind of excited about the garage because I've never had one before. This is the garage. Oh, there's a new build and some random homeless dude.
Give me your crackers!
I don't have any crackers. Anyway, this is the garage. Really, really messy. No, I'm just kidding, that's my brother. This is one of the new Subarus that we bought that's going to replace the yellow one for content. The yellow one is going to be the one that we're going to be updating you on today. This one I'm going to film as a separate series, that way I can still make content rebuilding a Subaru or just taking parts off a Subaru and doing something with it, I don't know. But really excited to update you on the yellow one because he has been working on it by himself at work. Thankfully, I wish I could help, but I've been working myself and I'm not really allowed to touch vehicles while he's at work, which makes me sad. But at least we get to learn on this, which will be a fun project. Really excited about this one. What? 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 Go away. You're homeless. You go in your closet. Oh.
Oh yeah, when he was giving you the house tour, did he show you all my rooms?
No.
I have 5. He's got 1 room, I've got 5.
I gave him all the closet spaces.
Alright, so as he's already said, we're gonna go to the shop today where I work, give you an update on Subaru stuff. I wasn't able to record everything that I was doing like I wanted to because I'm at work and I was working on it during work hours. That's the only good thing so far to come out of this COVID-19. But I got it done. Definitely learning experience. First time working on actually in-depth working on a Subaru. You'll see when we get there, and I'll give you some more updates when we're actually physically looking at it. It was an experience. And like he said, this will be the new one. Get to work on. And we'll probably be getting this motor and the one out of the yellow car to make those 2 motors to make 1 motor. And then we'll source the transmission. And this will be a running and driving car too. Do your viewers already know Sean's getting the transmission?
No, I haven't updated anything on this one really.
Our good friend Sean and Keegan here.
As you know from the other exhaust Gymkhana video and other videos, Sean blew up his transmission again for like the 3rd time, so he's getting a transmission in this one because he helped buy this one. I'll link another video up in the description about Sean's transmission that he blew up again. So that's the main reason why we got it, but I also wanted it too for parts. And then I thought about building it for the channel since I didn't get to build the yellow one, so yeah.
Keegan and I have been trying to come to an agreement on the yellow one since he and I also have money in that one. I would like it to be a pretty stock, reliable daily. He wants it to be carbon fibered, full-blown street car.
Really nice street car with carbon fiber.
However, I'm excited to help build on this one too.
Thank you. this little guy took so long, but it's off. You want to try to wiggle from up top? I don't think there's any more bolts holding it.
You got, no, the one
Right here.
The one that bolted to the, that little...
Yeah. Is that a 14 also?
It was on the other one, though, so...
Ow, true. That's not at all where I thought you were going with it.
No.
I thought you were going to go up and out. Okay.
There's no way it's going to fit.
I swear that's how we've always done it, but you're probably right. Well, we have an NVIDIA downpipe now. It's a weird Subaru. That took so much longer than I expected, and again, filthy like always, but I'm glad that's out, and we've got technically two things that are out right now, so that's exciting. Are we done here? We can go work in the yellow one now?
Sure.
I was told to pull to the side of the building where the garage is right there, and I'm not supposed to see the Subaru, which I don't understand because it's all stock except for the engine. We don't have any body mods for it. So I'm really confused, but I'm also really excited because this is going to be my first reaction to the car starting up for the first time. I have never heard this car start up. I cranked it back in the day whenever it had the blown first cylinder and blown head, so I'm hoping it goes well. I'm a little stressed because I don't know what's gonna happen, and I still have to get it dyno tuned, so I can't drive it too far. But I'm still really excited to have another working Subaru in my life, so I can't wait.
So you're gonna walk in with the camera, so you can film your own reaction, you know, as you're seeing it. I get to film your reaction from outside with this GoPro, you know, seeing how, you know, you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm confused though because it's a stock body. What?
All right, you know what? Fine. Don't record your reaction. I'll just walk the fuck in. I don't give a damn.
I'm excited. I just don't know what's different.
I never said something's different.
Oh, here you go.
You'll see. Look, guys, a thing.
Can I go in now?
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna stay over here on the left so you can't see it. I have it hidden by my truck.
Oh my god, it's small. What'd you do to it?
Broke it.
Oh, sorry, that's not my car. I just see yellow still. I don't know. Oh, is it clean?
Yeah, I did.
I thought we were gonna wash it. Oh my god, it looks good on camera.
It looks really good.
Dude, that's sick. I was like, what's different? And I was like, it's not dirty. Did you clay bar it?
No.
No? Okay. So we can still do a detailing video.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
It's still much needs detail.
That's so cool.
Are you ready for the other cool part?
Yes. What's the other cool part? Is that the other cool part?
No, right there.
Just kidding. That's the old engine that blew up. What am I doing?
They're right there.
Oh, he's gonna start it. Oh, it died. Out of gas? It's moving. Oh my god! It's been an entire year since we've actually got this thing running, and I'm really excited. And we need to change out those headlights. They're filthy. So what I'm probably gonna do is take the headlights off of the silver one and replace it. Same with the fog lights too. You said the fog lights aren't working right now?
No.
Okay, so yeah, we can just replace those. But it's in, everything's in. We still have to put the bracket on this side?
Bracket on both sides.
Okay. It's
I don't
so
have the bracket for you.
filthy.
Yeah.
I wish it was cleaner. We might do a detail in the engine bay at some point. this one's disgusting. This one's somewhat better condition, so I'm replacing it. Old, new. Old, new. Now I think I'm going to replace these corner lights with these smoke clear ones too, because I think they look better. They're on the silver one. I don't really like the amber color on this yellow, so I think it's a good small upgrade. Then we're going to do the headlights and taillights in another video, because I have new headlights and taillights. Okay, so this is going to be my first time ever starting this car and driving it. Slightly terrified. I know it runs, but it's still terrifying. Oh god, I'm nervous. Clutch is so soft. We need a stiffer clutch. Oh god. Oh god, it runs. Oh god. So my overall impression so far is I'm kind of stressed, just because I'm still scared of what this car's going to do. I don't know if it's going to blow up again. I really don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and replace the downpipe with the NVIDIA one that we just took off of the silver Subaru. And hopefully that'll make it a little bit louder because it's pretty quiet right now. Also, the clutch is a little soft. I'm used to a very stiff clutch, like very, very stiff. I have a stage 3 on the STI. I'm still excited. It runs and drives. But enough talking. Let me pull this downpipe off. Let me put on the new one. And hopefully it sounds a little bit louder. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to get a different mid-pipe and a different muffler on the back, just to make it sound slightly louder. I don't want it too loud or obnoxious, but I do want to be able to hear it because it's pretty quiet right now. So yeah, giant exhaust leak, and the mid pipe right here, is bent / warped. So what I might do, we have another mid pipe somewhere, so what I might do is replace that. And if that's as bad as I think it is, then I might replace this whole muffler with an NVIDIA one from the silver one, which sucks, because I was hoping that it would be okay after we put that downpipe on, but it's still going to be kind of quiet and still going to have a really bad exhaust leak right here and back there. A little frustrating, but nothing that we can't fix, I guess, and we do have a parts car now, so that's probably what we're going to do. I don't know if the GoPro's recording, but it's kind of annoying wearing it, so I have that much room because that downpipe is slightly longer. But I hate the cat in there because it makes it so quiet. So it's a little frustrating. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do yet. I still need to drive it a little bit further than what it was already driven. I just don't want to throw the old downpipe back on. I'd rather have the new one. Because the one that looks better and it sounds better and it's straight. I don't know what to do. Thankfully, I have Subarus galore everywhere. I'm gonna take this fancy golf cart to the silver wagon, and hopefully I have a mid-pipe in it. If not, I know I have a downpipe. Oh, my face, okay. I guess it's on. Okay, it's on. So I'm gonna drive the golf cart off to where the silver wagon is. Look for mid-pipe, if not, grab the downpipe that's in there because I know there's one in there. And then hopefully come back and try to put everything together. I hope. God, it's a little frustrating. I wish I brought all of the exhaust pieces from Alex's house and from the new one. Whatever, gonna go drive up there. Yes, there's still plans for that and that to go together. It's gonna take some time. I keep just getting random Subarus all the time. Okay, let's see. That's the downpipe, I think. I don't know if it's long enough. Yeah, it's downpipe. I don't see a mid-pipe though. That sucks. Oh, I've also got turbos galore. There's 3 of them. This is probably gonna be short too. Looking at it, it seems really short. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I'm a little bummed that I went ahead and put the old downpipe back on the car. It's just gonna have to wait until we get the mid-pipe. So I'm gonna let it idle, warm up a bit, and then I'm gonna go around the dealership, drive around, hopefully make sure everything's okay. Make sure it drives fine, shifts fine. It should be okay, but I just wanna make sure that everything's good to go before we go and get it dyno tuned in the next couple of weeks or so, depending on if there's any appointments available. Forgive me if this angle's a little weird. I'm gonna go for a test drive, make sure everything's still going fine. See if it idles fine. Okay, it's a little quiet. There's my car over there. I don't know why this is so stressful, but it is. So speed's working, it's a good sign. Obviously, we're at the house again, and I'm gonna finish off the vlog here. I'm a little bummed we didn't get everything done like we wanted to, but you know, that happens whenever we're trying to do stuff like this. One thing I'm gonna do for the next video is I'm going to remove the exhaust on here that you can't see because the sunlight is terrible. Thank you, sun. But we're gonna be removing the NVIDIA muffler here. Alex has a mid-pipe in his car, so we're gonna take that because this one is the stock one. I'm gonna basically pull as much as I can off of this one for the yellow one. And then I've got a headlight video to make, taillight video that'll go with that, so just basically changing on the lights in the yellow one. But I'm really excited that it's actually up and running. It's a little stressful still, just because I don't know what's gonna happen with it, and it still needs to be dyno tuned, so it's a little stressful. But thank you, Alex, for working on this car for me, and for, I guess, the both of us, because it's been a long time coming. But it is done. You should see more of the yellow one on the channel here pretty soon, and I can't wait to dyno tune it. So if you enjoyed the content, leave a like, leave a comment down below on what your favorite part of the car was. I don't know. Just leave a comment if you would like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.